So I saw a question on discussion board. You want to verify this identity. Now, these can be a little challenging. With practice, they do become easier. So I'm trying to show step by step how to work it. So you usually start with the messier side, which would be the left. This particular case, you don't get a common denominator. One denominator is tangent of theta, the other denominator is 1 minus secant of theta. So their product will be the least common denominator. So this one we multiply by what's missing, 1 minus secant of theta over 1 minus secant of theta. This one, what are we missing? Tangent of theta. So we multiply numerator and denominator by it. So here, in the denominator, I just have that product and the same product in that denominator. We want the same denominator. In the numerator, I go ahead and FOIL it, multiply the first terms, I get 1. And I'd have minus secant of theta, minus another secant of theta, minus 2 secants of theta. And we multiply last terms and be plus secant squared of theta. Here you just have tangent times tangent squared. So then now I have a common denominator. I just combine these two. And this here is one of your Pythagorean identities. Secant squared of theta minus tangent squared of theta, that's 1. And then I add that 1 to that 1, I get 2. And I factor the 2 from these two terms, and we get rid of a common factor here. Then we come down here, you have 2 over tangent of theta. Well, use a reciprocal identity, and that's 2 cotangent of theta. Hope that helps.